Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can customize the line spacing for your documents on Microsoft Word. And you can do that without any technical skills whatsoever, guys. So make sure you follow along, and now let us get started. All right, access to document on Microsoft Word you would like to edit. And what you want to do is select the Home tab here at the top. And here to the right, you will see the paragraph section. So what you want to do, guys, to apply the line spacing to your entire document is, at least that would be my recommendation, would be to select the entire text by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard, just like that. And after that, here under the paragraph or in the paragraph section, click on that arrow down icon next to line and paragraph spacing and simply select your custom spacing like 1 pt, 1.5, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5. As you can see, the line spacing is changing or adjusting accordingly. That's how you do it, guys. And you may also go a bit more in depth by selecting line spacing options if you like, but let's go, for example, with a line spacing of 2.5, and that would look like that applied, as you can see. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.